program is brought to you by Coca-Cola. Ituloy ang happiness.
Kaloy po, laking Marikina at President for Happiness ng Coca-Cola. Sabi nila, ang trabaho ko, pasayahin kayo. Astig, no? Ano kayang magandang gawin? Dapat ba?
Kasabay evening, flatten bagsak siya.
With unique avocado and cassia extract, Pantene Nature Care.
Kahit 8 o'clock na, bagsak na hair, wala na.
Pantene Nature Care.
Isang t-shirt ang nagsimula sa dream niyang maging pop star. Simple man, naiintindihan ko na importante ito sa pangarap niya. Hahayaan ko bang masira ito na matinding mancha? Hindi, no? Kaya ang gamit ko, Ariel Stain Lift with Deep Clean Technology. Tanggal ang mancha sa bawat layer, kaya may linis na mukhang bago para sa pop star ko. Ariel Stain Lift, linis na mukhang bago. I let the fresh outdoors in with Glade Refresh Air. Its odor-fighting formula cleans the air as it freshens. Glade Refresh Air opens my door to freshness. Glade Refresh Air. S.C. Johnson.
Hair fall, roughness, dryness, dullness, split ends. I never worry. For the top 5 Filipino hair problems, I have one solution. L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 with Cement Ceramide. Repairs hair inch by inch. Strengthens like no other. Kaya strand by strand, gorgeous. 5 problems, 1 solution. For only $4.50. Because every Filipino is worth it.
Kumanda ng baliw at mabaliw. Hatid ng MBC, TV5, Star City at CCP in cooperation with cities of Manila and Pasay. The 2012 Aliwan Fiesta. This is the mother of all fiestas dahil magtatagisan ng champion dance troops sa bawat fiesta sa buong Pilipinas. At ngayong taon, mas kagigiliwan mo ang mga hatid naming pakulo para lang sa inyo. Street Party. Reyna ng Aliwan Pageant Night. At sa April 14, ang culminating event ng Aliwan Festival. May street dance at float competition sa hapon. Makakasama mo pa ang mga talentadong Pinoy Hall of Famers at mga kapatid stars. Kaya huwag nang magliwaliw kung saan-saan